Efforts are on to negotiate a potential prisoner exchange deal between Hamas and Israel. In the latest Saudi news publication, it's released a list of 34 Israeli hostages after Hamas said that it was ready to release captives in the first phase of the deal. The list mentions the names of 10 women, 11 male hostages aged between 50 to 85 years. Earlier, a senior Hamas official requesting anonymity had said that the group was ready to release 34 Israeli hostages in this phase of the deal from a list presented by Israel. The officials added that these hostages to be included in the initial swap include all the women, children, elderly people and sick captives still held in Gaza. He, however, said that Hamas required more time to determine whether these hostages were alive. On the other hand, the office of Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has said Hamas was yet to provide a list of hostages to be released under a deal. According to Channel 12, Hamas submitted a hostage list without indicating who was alive and who was not. As per the IDF, a total of 34 hostages have died out of the 251 seized during the October 7, 2023 attack, while 96 reportedly still remain in Gaza. The latest Israeli strikes in Gaza have killed 12 people, including 5 in Nusrat refugee camp, 4 in the southern city of Khan Yunis, and 3 in Burej refugee camp in central Gaza. The Israeli military in a statement said it targeted a Hamas command center in Khan Yunis and an Islamic Jihad militant in Deir al-Bala, as flares and explosions were seen from southern Israel. The Palestinian health officials say that Israeli bombardments and ground assault of Gaza has killed more than 45,600 Palestinians, while women and children accounted for more than half of the fatalities. However, the officials have not distinguished civilians and combatants in their tally. Meanwhile, a new report has surfaced stating that at least 60 of the Hamas militants who were arrested during the IDF raids on Kamal Adwan Hospital were brought to Israeli hospitals for treatment last week. The report further said that the arrested militants were brought to various Israeli medical centers due to the lack of field hospital, although the report did not mention specifically whether the terrorists were still undergoing treatment at Israeli hospitals or have been transferred elsewhere.